Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Valorant not opening or not launching on PC. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, go to settings and go to Windows Update and make sure that your operating system is fully updated. If it's not updated, then restart your computer. Same thing with your GPU. Go to Device Manager, then on Device Manager go to Display Adapters, right-click your GPU, update driver, and search automatically for drivers. Then after you do that, the next step what you need to do here is to open up Test Manager, completely close Riot Client, Valorant, or Riot Vanguard from your PC. You can easily just write it here and look, and then just and tasks. And then the next step what you need to do here is to go to Services. Then click on one of the tasks here and then press V, and then you should see VGC. And what you need to do here is to right click on it, properties, make sure that startup type is automatic and service status is not stopped, but it's running. So hit start, wait for a couple of seconds, and then apply the changes. If you found VGC on automatic and running, what I suggest you to do here is to go to VGC, right click on it, and then restart the VGC. And if it's not working, then we can do other steps. On search, just write system configuration. Then on this window, you need to go to services, select hide all Microsoft services, and then scroll down until you see VGC and make sure that VGC is enabled here. And if it's not, enable it and hit OK. And then the next step, what you need to do here is to on search, look for Valorant, or simply look for the shortcut, right click on it, then go to open file location. Again, right click on it, open file location. On Riot Client Services, right click again, go to Properties, Compatibility, make sure to run this program in Compatibility Mode 4, Windows 8, and select Disable Full Screen Optimizations, and run this program as admin. Restart, apply the changes, restart your computer, and your problem should be fixed. That's pretty much it.